Yesterday I heard that rain. I heard it whispering your name. It was asking where you'd gone. It fell softly on the crowds from the silent clouds, and then I wandered on out of doorways. Black umbrellas came to pursue me, faceless strangers as they passed were looking through me, 'cause nobody knew me. But yesterday I shut my eyes and I looked up at those skies. I was drinking in the rain. Your image still was there, floating in the air, brighter than a flame. Yesterday I saw a city full of shadows without pity. Then I heard that constant rain whispering your name, whispering your name.